Also, where did you relax? So, sitya na po, area natin is malapit sa road highway. So, may mga maiingay na sasakyan. So, hopefully, makancel to through noise cancellation or noise reduction. So, welcome sa ating second topic in animal science. So, it is all about animal nutrition. So, after nito, meron pa tayong 6 subjects sa animal science. So, hopefully, manakil natin lahat. So, today is December 24, 2023. So, Pasko sana, busy-busy. Kaso, gusto ko sanang tapusin talaga tong online module na to. So, isa sa pinakamahirap is paano gumawa ng content. So, kailangan siya gugulin. So, target ko sa isang araw, isang video. So, hindi 2 hours yan maximum or minimum. Depende kasi nandyan pa yung mga explanation. So, isang din yan sa napakahirap. So, ngayon, pupunta tayo sa animal nutrition. So, okay lang po ba? So, okay. So, we'll proceed for number 1. So, which part of the following is not lipids? Lipids is fats. So, ano po? Chitin, terpenes, prostaglandins, unsaturated fat. This is fats. Prostaglandin is fats also. Terpenes is fats. Chitin is ano po yan? It is a protein. Yan ang exoskeleton ng ating mga itik. Ang tawag yan is chitin. Glucose is stored glucose in the form of glucose is what? It is a protein, disaccharide, monosaccharide, starch. So glucose is a monosaccharide po yan, monosaccharide. Animals store glucose in a form of what? Ano ang tawag? Amylose, glycogen, glycerol, cellulose. Cellulose is for plants. That's ayan ang tinatawag na cell wall ng plants. So amylose, so hindi ang tawag dito is stored sugar stored glucose in animals is glycogen ang tawag. So okay, so why is cellulose difficult for the most animal to digest? Why is cellulose difficult for most animal to digest? Because they don't have proper enzyme to break the bond between the subunit. Cellulose is made up of chitin. Chitin is protein, so indeed, the bond holding cellulose subunits together are extremely stronger than any other macromolecule. So hindi naman totoo yan. So there are many hydrogen bond holding the subunit together. Example, water, hydrogen bond. So may hold each other. Strong ba siya? So hindi right. So ano ba tawag kasi ang starch at sa mga glucose hindi walang digestion happen in sa ating stomach. Doon lang yan ang digestion doon sa pancreas kasi nandun yung mga enzymes or small intestine. So other animal don't have proper enzyme to break the bond between the subunits. So yan po ang totoo. Which of the following is not a disaccharide? Disaccharide is dalawang monosaccharide pinagtugtong. Ang tawag dyan is disaccharide. Sucrose, maltose, lactose, amylose. Amylose is polysaccharide po yan, amylose. So the empirical formula for carbohydrates is, so anong tawag dyan? C2H2O. So, ang tawang sagot dito is letter B, CH2O. CH2O, letter B. Which of the following vitamins are those if taken excess can be dangerous and they are stored in the body? So, hindi po siya dapat ma-store sa body because it is dangerous. Vitamin B complex, vitamin B and C, vitamin B and C, A and D. So, tamang sagot is A and D. Dapat hindi ka pwede mag-intake ng too much A and D. Lipase and enzyme break up. Lipase. So, ano tawag yan? So, lipase in a word of lipids. So, dyan, anong lipids is fats. Fats into fatty acid, and glycerin, insulin, into fructose, maltose, into glucose, fructose, to amino acid. So in lipase, hindi yan amino acid, lipase, hindi yan mga starch or glucose. So ang tamang sagot is fats. Which of the following pair is correctly matched? Which of the following pair is not correctly matched? Not correctly, hindi siya totoo. Vitamin B, pyridoxine. Vitamin C, ascorbic acid. Vitamin E, alpha-tocopherol. So vitamin E, di ba sa Myra E, yan, no? Alpha-tocopherol, tama yan. Vitamin B, pyridoxine. Ascorbic acid, vitamin C. So ang vitamin D, sunshine ba? Hindi. Ang vitamin D, hindi po yan sunshine. Which is the saturated fatty acid of the following? Saturated fatty acid. Saturated fatty acid of the following: stearic acid, arachidonic acid, oleic acid, linoleic acid. Ang tamang sagot is saturated fatty acid is stearic acid po. Which of the following is a sulfur-containing amino acid? May sulfur po siya containing amino acid. Valine, isoleucine, cysteine. All of the above. Ang tamang sagot po is cysteine. Carbohydrates, lipids, and protein all contain carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Which one also contain nitrogen? So, anong may contain nitrogen dyan? Only the proteins. Only the proteins have nitrogen. Fats, hindi. Lipids, hindi. Carbohydrates, hindi. What is the main function of carbohydrates in the diet? Main function of carbohydrates in the diet: enable chemical reaction, promote growth and repair tissue, supply energy, maintain water balance. Hindi water balance. Ang purpose talaga ng carbohydrate is supply energy. Yan po talaga. What is the function of lipids in the diet? Lipids in the diet provide fats essential for body function, transport water-soluble vitamins, promote growth and repair of the tissue, maintain the fluid of the balance. Ang purpose talaga ng lipids is provide fats essential for body function. What is the function of protein in the diet? Ang function ng protein is provide essential fatty acid, no? Provide, promote and growth and repair of the body, yes. Ito, particular nervous system functioning, medium of temperature regulation. So, hindi. Ang tamang sagot is promote growth and repair of the body. The most concentrated source of TCAL or of the following is, anong tawag? Starch, protein, alcohol, sugar. So, TCAL is calories. So, ang pinaka-concentrated is alcohol, meaning alcohol is sugar, concentrated sugar po yan. So, alcohol. So, where do nutrients go after being absorbed through daylight? Daylight is yung maliliit na nandyan sa small intestine. Daylight po ang tawag yan. Para siyang hairy like. So, after ang nutrients ma-absorb sa bilay, saan siya pupunta? Central nervous system, endocrine system, water and lymphatic system, digestive system. So, digestive system, tapos na po siya na-digest. So, ina-absorb na siya through bili. So, ang nutrients pupunta sa water and lymphatic system para ma-distribute. What kind of feeds provide high amount of nutrients for cattle fattening? Ano po? Ragage. Ragage is mga napier, ganun. Concentrate feeds o concentrate feeds din mixed with grains, vitamins, something na more mataas siya sa carbohydrates. So, vitamins and mineral supplement feeds. Ang tawag dyan is concentrate feeds. Soluble carbohydrates are generally refers to as soluble carbohydrates generally refer to as starch and sugar, cellulose and hemicellulose, mannan, all of the above. Soluble meaning directly ma-dissolve lang siya, easily dissolve ng water. So, cellulose hindi yan. Ang bark ang puno, kahit ilagay mo yan sa tubig, itagal niyan ba? maging soluble. So hindi. Ang tawag ng sagot dito is starch at sugar. Madaling ma-dissolve ng water. Group of elements of minerals that are required in the body in small portion or small amount. Anong tawag? Maliit lang microelements. Oo, macroelements, essential, so non-essential. So ang tawag sagot is microelements. Which of the following vitamins is important in the biosynthesis of purine and pyrimidine? So, purine and pyrimidine, yan ang ginagamit sa DNA. So, cyanobalamin, folic acid, nicotinamide, tocopherol. Ano tawag? Ang tawag sagot dito is folic acid. Kaya na pag pregnant yung asawa mo or yung misis mo, pinapaitik ng folic acid. Bakit? Because of the development of our DNA, kailangan na purine and pyrimidine. Kaya folic acid yung ina-administered ng mga nurse. Which of the following elements serve as an enzyme for neuromuscular function? Neuromuscular function. Anong element? Zinc, manganese, sulfur, magnesium. Neuromuscular function and serve as an enzyme is magnesium. Cheese was analyzed contain 3% of nitrogen. How much crude protein does the feed contain? So 3% ang kanyang so ang tamang sagot dito is sige nga calculator. To 18.75 divide by 3 6.25. Kasi isang percent ng nitrogen merong 6.25 na crude protein. So i-times mo lang yan, 6.25% ng crude protein. So 3 dito ang nitrogen is equals to 1% man yun ng nitrogen. So ang nangyari dito is 3%. 3 times 6.25 is equals to 18.75. Tama? So, okay. So, let's proceed. So, what compartment of ruminant digestive system consists of many folds of the tissue? So, tinatawag nila na libro-libro. So, ang compartment ng stomach ng ruminants may 4. Intindihin nyo to, familiarize. RROA, rumen, reticulum, omasum, abomasum. Abomasum is the true stomach of the compartment of the ruminants. So, ito, abomasum. So, anong tinatawag na libro-libro or mini-fold? Ang tawag dyan is omasum. An essential or non-essential element compound in the food or feed is called, anong tawag? Element makikita sa feed or sa anong tawag? Mineral, nutrient, ration, feed. Ration is your ilang percentage ng mga mixing mo. Ration ang tawag yan. Feeds is yan kabuuan. Minerals, hindi. Ang tamang sagot dito is nutrient. Which ruminant compartment regulates the feed from rumen to the succeeding compartment? It is from the rumen to the succeeding compartment. It also aids the pre-regurgitation of the feed back to the mouth. So anong tawag? So it is the succeeding compartment. So sino? Rumen, reticulum, omasum, abomasum. Ang tawag sagot is omasum pa rin, libro-libro. So it is the ability of an animal to convert feeds into meat and eggs. So feed conversion efficiency. Feed conversion efficiency. Ang tamang sagot. Okay, so number 28. What organ produce digestive enzyme needed for digestive system to take place in small intestine? Diba sinabi ko last kanina na yung enzyme is located from the pancreas, yung mga enzyme. So, sa hydrochloric acid, sa tiyan natin, walang digestion happen sa mga carbohydrates. So, doon lang siya mangyayari. Paglabas niya sa stomach natin, dyan merong mga enzyme responsible sa pancreas. So, yan, pancreas. What is the compartment in ruminant stomach which function is regurgitation of ingesta during rumination? So, regurgitation, alam mo yung regurgitation is kumain ngayon ng damo yung kalabaw nyo. After siya magpahinga, nag-nguya pa rin siya. So, kasi sa mga ruminas, meron sila tinatawag na regurgitation na yung kinain nila, pwede nilang ipa-up, tapos nguya-nguyain, tapos ibalik, ganun. So, saan nalocate yung regurgitation of ingesta during the rumination? So, it is found in reticulum, pumasok. It is found in the reticulum. Soybean meal is generally added to the ration supply. What nutrient? Soybean is a protein. Which of the following nutrients are known as live amines? So, anong tawag niyan? Live amines is also known as vitamins. Live amine means vitamins. What is the precursor of vitamin A? What is the precursor of vitamin A? Vitamin B, carotene, lysine, tryptophan. Vitamin A also known as carotene, beta-carotene. So, carotene yan. Mga yellow, orange color. So, what is another term for food pipe? Food pipe is esophagus. Which cow's stomach compartment allow it coarse feeds? Yung mga malalaking feeds. So, saan siya? So, rumen, abomasum, reticulum. So, coarse feeds, yung malalaki pa ng mga feeds is kikita yan sa rumen. Unang compartment. RROA. Rumen, reticulum, abomasum. What vitamin is needed for blood clotting? So, blood clotting responsible dyan is vitamin K, potassium. Not enough of this ration will lead to acidic rumen condition. Carbohydrates, vitamins, volatile fatty acid, lignine. So, anong tawag? Ang tawag dyan is lignine. Yung mga damo natin sa lignin is kagaya parang plant cell wall yan. Kasi yan dyan sa rumen ng bakit acidic yan? Kasi nandyan sa rumen is bacteria at fungi. So, fermentation dyan, kailangan nila ng lignin, strong plant cell wall, parang ganun, na para hindi maging acidic yung rumen, hindi volatile fatty acid, hindi rin vitamins, hindi rin carbohydrates. Sa tawag yan is lignin. Kaya kumakain talaga sila ng damo. So, most of nutrients are found in what part of the forage plant? Most of the nutrients are found in what part of the forage plant? Stem, fruit, leaves, seeds. Anong tawag? Nandyan po parati sa dahon, leaves. The portion of the gross energy in a feedstuff which is not excreted in the feces is also known as yung nakuha natin na gross energy feedstuff which is not excreted in the feces. So, yung example, yung lahat ng nutrients na nakuha natin na absorb ng body. So, anong tawag dyan? Digestible energy, nitrogen-free exact, total digestible nutrients, metabolized energy. Ang tawag dyan is digestible energy. Lahat ng portion ng gross energy ng feedstock na na-absorb ng body is digestible energy. The most important factor with formulating ration of livestock is anong pinaka-importante? If mag-formulate ka ng formulating ration for livestock. So feed cost, size of the animal, nutrient, feed availability. So anong pinaka-titingnan mo talaga is if you are the feed ano tawag nun? Gumagawa ka or feed formulation or feed formulating ration for livestock. So pinakatitingnan mo talaga is the size of animal. If itong feeds na to for big ba? If itong feeds na to is for grower ba? If itong feeds na to is for south, or itong feeds na to is for boar. So iba-ibang stage ng iba-iba ang sizes, iba-iba ang stage, iba-iba din ang nutrient requirement. Kaya ang pinakatitingnan if nag-formulate kayo ng feeds is the size of the animal. So okay. So what organ which secreted bile needed for the emulsification of fats in the small intestine? So emulsification. So sino na mag-secrete ng bile? So sino lang ang malapit sa bile? Spleen, pancreas, salivary gland, liver. Ang spleen, ito po yung kung sa chicken yan, ganun yung kulay niyan, yung kulay dark. Yan po kasi yung mga dead blood cells doon napupunta. If makita yan sa pig, is nakaplat lang yan, spleen ang tawag niyan. So ang kasama ng bile is yung abdo, nandyan yan sa liver. What do you call the bulb-like structure which control the passage of food and air? Bulb-like structure, makikita, bulb-like, which control the passage of foods and air. So, ano tawag? Epiglottis, pharynx, larynx, trachea. So, it is a epiglottis. Yung dito natin, yung sa parang may ganot siya, dyan, di ba? Sa end of the tongue natin, mayroong parang bell. Yan yung epiglottis. So the deficiency of these nutrients can permanently damage the immunological system of the poultry. So masisira ang yung immunological system ng poultry. Carbohydrates, protein, vitamins, minerals. So kulang nito is maging parang weak yung tawag is protein. What do you call a major carotenoid in yellow in corn? Anong tawag po niyan? Bakit color yellow yung corn? Anthocyanin, xanthin, cryptoxanthin, beta-carotene. So it is called a cryptoxanthin. Bakit color yellow yung corn? Cryptoxanthin. So which of the following is fat digesting enzyme? So fat digesting enzyme. So renin, pepsin. Renin is ito po yung ginagamit sa paggawa ng cheese. Renin po yan, di ba? Para maging curd. Para mahiwalay yung curd at saka yung whey yung milk. Pepsin, di ko alam. Amylopectin is for carbohydrates. Lipids from the words lipids. So paste, basta may paste is enzyme yan, paste. So lipids ng tawag. So what do you call any feed constituent or a group of feed constituent that eat in support of life? Anong tawag yan? Nutrient, feeds, food, diet. So ang tawag sagot dito is nutrient. What is the single most reliable parameter which the water quality can be evaluated? So ano po? Most reliable parameter which water quality can be evaluated. So ano sa mag-water testing tayo? So most reliable parameters titingnan natin yung quality ng water. Osmosis, pH test, bacteriology test, total dissolved unit. at ang tawag dyan is total dissolved unit. So, dissolved solid. What are the advantages of pelleted animal feed? So, anong advantage ng pelleted kaysa sa mash? Less bulky to store, balance ration, less wastage, eliminate dusty feeds. So, lahat naman is tama. So, all of the above. So, what organ in the digestive system is responsible for the horse gut sound? Parang ganun lang. Horse gut sound. So, cecum, ileum, omasum, large intestine. Ang tawag dyan is cecum. Cecum. Feed that provide to young animals, feeds that provide to young animals as an extra ration and feed in the area that is inaccessible to the mother is called. Ano tawag niyan? Binibigay siya sa young animal, example, sow, baboy, yung biik, di ba? Nilalagyan dito parang may anong tawag niyan? Para siyang creep, basta ang tawag niyan is creep feed. Bakit? Doon sila papasok yung mga piglet na hindi yun makuha ng nanay. So, only the piglet ang makakain doon. So, ang tawag dyan is creep feeding. Lumabas to sa exam. Most energy needs of ruminant in the pig is energy needs. So, amino acids, volatile fatty acid, protein. So, it is volatile fatty acid. So, dyan kinukuha ang energy na ruminants. So, after ma-digest ng lignin or mga grass, so, magiging volatile fatty acid sila. This is ginagamit na energy ng mga ruminants. The total protein content in the feeds is anong tawag niyan? Blank protein, crude protein, digestible, non-digestible, total protein. So, it is called crude protein. Ang total protein content ng isang ingredients or feed. Crude protein po yan. Which of the following is not the end product of fiber digestion in ruminants? Not end product of fiber digestion in ruminants. So, acetic acid, palmitic, butyric acid, propanoic acid, hydrochloric acid. So, in the not end product of fiber digestion is hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid is present na po siya sa stomach. So, no need na maging hydrochloric acid. So, ang hydrochloric is yan po ang nagda-digest, dina-digest niya yung bacteria at fungi na resins na kasama doon sa nandun sa rumination sa loob ng ruminants. What is the amount of protein in the body in a water-based, prey-based species? So, sa katawan ng tao or sa animals, meron tayong mga protein pero in liquid phase. So, what is the amount? So, it is in a percent. So, it is 30, 40, 20, 50. Ang tamang sagot is 40%. What is the main carbohydrate source of ruminants? Main carbohydrate source of ruminant: starch, semicellulose, lignin, cellulose. Ang tamang sagot is cellulose. Which of the following is the most common limiting amino acid? Which of the following is common limiting amino acid? Common limiting amino acid. Ang ibig sabihin nito, maliit lang yung store sa body, at madali lang siya, kulang siya sa body. Tryptophan, valine, leucine, methionine. Ang tamang sagot is the most common limiting amino acid. Ang kulang sa body is methionine. What is the most abundant mineral element in the body? So, anong pinaka most abundant mineral in the body is phosphorus, calcium, iron, magnesium. Sa palagay nyo, it is the calcium. Calcium is component pa rin na component ng bones sa teeth natin, sa skull, ang calcium. So, all over the body. ang pinakamalaking most abundant mineral sa body natin is calcium. A trace mineral that spare the effect of vitamin E deficiency. So, if vitamin E, meron kang vitamin E deficiency, siya yung nag-acting, siya yung dumadagdag, selenium, iron, chlorine, magnesium. Ang tamang sagot is selenium. What is the first limiting amino acid in acid formation in the poultry? So, ano ang pinaka first limiting amino acid? Ang arginine, lysine, histidine, methionine. Ang first limiting amino acid pa rin is methionine. So, kulang talaga siya sa body. Which microelements involved in uric acid formation in poultry? Uric acid formation in poultry. So, sino? Calcium, phosphorus, selenium, molybdenum. Ang tamang sagot is molybdenum. What vitamin is required for normal vision? Normal vision sa mata, anong pinaka-importante? It is the vitamin A, beta-carotene. The lack of what nutrient will result to the death of animal in quickest? So, water, protein, carbohydrates, minerals. So, if lack siya, mamamatay siya na madali. Is water. Because we are 99% composed of water. So, it is the measure of all nitrogenous compound multiplied by 625. It also known as growth protein. Diba yung sinabi ko kanina na yung 3% yung nitrogen niya, then yung growth protein niya is 1% of nitrogen equivalent to 6.25. So, ang tawag nito is growth protein. Which of the following is considered as the energy-giving nutrients? Energy-giving nutrients: vitamins and minerals, fats and protein, carbohydrate, fats and protein, water, all of the above. So, ang tamang sagot is carbohydrates, fats, and protein. Yan ang mga considered energy-giving nutrients. What is the limiting factor in use of high level of wheat, barley, or oats in monogastric diet? It is due to anti-nutritional factor known as tawag? So, ang tawag dyan is wala. So, undefined. Bakit undefined? Sige. Search na lang po yun. So, what vitamins are synthesized in large intestine? So, anong vitamins ang marami sa large intestine? Vitamin A, B, C, D. So, it is vitamin A. In ruminants, the deficiency of this mineral result to subnormal growth, depressed appetite, and poor efficiency of feed utilization. So, mineral result to subgrowth, bababa yung growth. So, payatot siya. Depressed ang appetite, hindi maganang kumain, poor efficiency of feed utilization, kahit anong kain, hindi ma-absorb ng body. So, magnesium, calcium, phosphorus, zinc. Ang tamang sagot is phosphorus. What vitamin is known as vitamin B3? Vitamin niacin, thiamine, minadoate, tocopherol. Ang tamang sagot, vitamin B3 is niacin. What do you call the disease condition where in young animal are feeds with diet containing low or marginal level of calcium but excessive amount of phosphorus? So, anong tawag dyan? What do you call the disease condition where in young animal are fed with a diet containing low or marginal level of calcium but excessive amount of phosphorus? So, anong tawag? The postparturgent paresis, age layer patting, tetany, nutritional secondary hyperthyroidism. So, ito po, nutritional secondary hyperthyroidism. Animal fats such as tunnel and poultry fats are considered as saturated fat, unsaturated fat, metabolizing fat, glycerol. Ang tawag dyan is saturated fat, tallow, poultry fats. Among the different feed formulation, which of the following mash should contain the highest amount of crude protein? Straight growing mash, poultry laying mash, chick starter, poultry growing mash. So sa palagay nyo, ano? At tawag sagot is straight growing mash. Ano ba ang ibig sabihin ng straight? Straight is the day na nagpisa sila sa incubator. So ang tawag yan straight run ang tawag yan. So after na wala pa siyang day old chick, di ba? Yung sinasabi nung, so hindi pa siya day old chick, ang tawag yan straight. So hindi pa siya na siksing. Straight. So mataas dapat ang protein content dyan. So the first division of large intestine is first division. So ang large intestine is cecum, ileum, jejunum, rectum. Cecum, ileum, jejunum, rectum. So CIGR. So anong tawag? So first division of large intestine is cecum, which is the precursor of nicotinamide. So precursor. So anong ibig sabihin ng precursor? So before maging nicotinamide, so kailangan niya pa ng cobalt, sulfur, tryptophan, methionine. Ang tawag sagot is tryptophan. The largest compartment in the ruminants is called rumen. So nandyan ang mga pores. So unang kain, so pagkain ng damo ng kalabaw, doon mapupunta niya sa rumen. Regurgitation, kakainin. After regurgitation, stop muna tayo dito. So ang tamang sagot dito is rumen. So okay.
Hello, so ang tamang sagot is rumen. So number 76, which feed uses fermentation in order to increase palatability? So feeds ginagamit sa fermentation to increase palatability. So dito nilalagyan siya minsan ng mga molasses or mga ingredient salt para ma-ferment at ma-preserve at saka yung lasa niya maging masarap. So concentrate silage by byproducts or hay. So ang tamang sagot dito is silage. Ito yung nilalagay siya sa silo, nilalagyan siya ng mga molasses o depende. So okay, silage po. So the feed component containing the most easily digested carbohydrates in the feed component containing the most easily digested carbohydrates in the blank. So So crude fiber, nitrogen-free extract, amino acid, minerals. So ang tamang sagot po dito, easily digested carbohydrate is nitrogen-free extract. Anong ibig sabihin nito? Wala siyang nitrogen because ang nitrogen is matagal po to i-digest ang nitrogen. So ang carbohydrates is madali. So nitrogen-free extract. So nutrients which an animal can synthesis for growth and maintenance are the category called. So anong tawag na nutrients which animals can synthesis for growth and maintenance are in the category of non-essential nutrients, essential nutrients, vitamins, minerals. Ang tawag dyan is non-essential elements or nutrient. Which of the following is water-soluble vitamins? Water-soluble vitamins, ang tawag dyan is pantothenic acid, selenium, potassium, vitamin A. So it is a water-soluble vitamins is called pantothenic acid. Feed efficiency can be increased by blank the grain because less in waste. So anong tawag dyan? So the feed efficiency can be increased by cooking, pelletizing, grinding, and processing. So sa feeds hindi hindi tayo nagcook, hindi na tayo nag-grinding, hindi tayo nag-processing. Ang tawag sa feeds or ginagamit sa grain is pelletizing, pelleting. Which farm animal cannot synthesis all the required amino acid? So, hindi siya animal siya na hindi makasynthesis ng required amino acid. Cattle, sheep, swine, poultry. So, ang tamang sagot dito is swine. So, kaya madaling gumawa ng swine feeds compared to poultry, sheep, and cattle feeds. So, in non-ruminant herbivore, non-ruminant, so at saka herbivore siya, which do starch digestion occur? Saan po yung starch digestion? Di ba sinasabi ko sa inyo na saan? So, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, cecum. So, it is in the large intestine. Lipid peroxidation in tissue is due to the absence of vitamin or minerals. So, lipid peroxidation and tissues is due to the absence of vitamin and mineral. So, anong mineral? So, vitamin E, selenium, vitamin E and selenium, vitamin K. So, lipid peroxidation is caused by vitamin A and selenium absence. Water-soluble vitamin that is not a B vitamin. So, meron tayong mga water-soluble addict. So, pero hindi siya vitamin addict A, D, E, K. So, hindi siya B vitamins. Ang tawag dyan is vitamin C. Vitamin C lang po ang water-soluble na hindi siya B vitamins. So, which of among the following vitamins possess characteristic odor and meaty flavor? So, vitamins na meron siyang characteristic of odor and meaty flavor. Thiamine, pero pyridoxine, riboflavin, cobalamin. Ang tawag sagot dito is thiamine. Thiamine po, meron po siyang odor at saka meaty flavor. Which of the following disease is caused by deficiency of vitamin E? Cirrhosis, rachitis, or paralysis, crazy chick disease. If magkulang siya ng vitamin E, ang tawag dyan is crazy chick disease. What feed enzyme is indicated for copramil? What feed enzyme is indicated for copramil? So, ang enzymes are responsible para ma-digest ang copramil, mannase, glucanase, isocylanase. Ang tawag dyan is mannase. What vitamin is known as B1? Ano nga yung B1? Niacin, thiamine, minadion, tocopherol. Ang tamang sagot is thiamine. It is a yellow-colored gland lying to the lobe of duodenum. If sa chicken yan, parang ganun, lobe of duodenum. Nandyan yung pancreatic. So, secretion of alkaline and help to lower the acidity of food entering the small intestine from the stomach. So, ang lobe of duodenum is nandyan makikita ang sa pancreas. So, hindi liver, hindi bile, hindi spleen, pancreas. What micronutrient resulting to the retained placenta in cow, heat failure, and pancreatic fibrosis in chick? So, anong tamang sagot? So, ang tamang sagot dito is mali. So, hindi rumen. So, paki-research na lang. So, anong tamang sagot nito? So, which stomach is predominant nutrient in the body of animal? So, ang pinakamaraming nutrient na makikita sa body of animals, fats, carbohydrates, protein, water. So, careful lang kayo, no? So, akala nyo ang kinakain nila parati marami is carbohydrates. Hindi, ang tinatanong dyan is the nutrient in the body of animal. So, ang marami dyan is protein. How many microelements that function in animal nutrition? Microelements, 7, 11, 16, 20. So, ang tamang sagot is 16 microelements. A condition caused by lack of sugar in diet. So, anong nangyayari? So, parang kagaya sa diabetic. So, hypoglycemia. So, pariketosis, diabetes. So hindi to para ketosis din, hindi po diabetes. So meron tayong dalawa, hypoglycemia at hyperglycemia. Hyper is sobrang sugar, hypo means kulang ng sugar. Which of the following mineral is characterized by micromineral? Which minerals categorized by microminerals? Ang micromineral dito is zinc. The following mineral is categorized as micromineral. Bakit calcium? Sige, what disease of condition will take place when spoiled or damaged fish meal is used as a feed ingredient? Example, so anong mangyayari if sira yung fish meal natin or bulok? So, may masama siyang may dulot sa katawan. So, gizzard erosion, enteritis, liver cirrhosis, encephalitis. So, avian enteritis, ito po ay makukuha sa rats enteritis po to. So, ang tawag dyan, if mag-use tayo ng fish meal na anong tawag doon sa siraang fish meal is, so, anong tawag po? So, it is called what disease of condition will take place if magamit pa tayo ng damage na fish meal is gizzard erosion. When carbohydrates are stored in the body in a form of yung carbohydrates, tinatawag dyan is starch, glycogen, glycolipids, cellulobius. Ang tawag dyan is glycogen. Which of the following amino acid that cannot be produced in the body? So, hindi po siya mapoproduce sa body. Lysine, methionine, valine. None of the above, all of the above. So, sa tatlo na yan, wala po. So, all in all, ito po ay mapoproduce sa body. Which of the following fat-soluble vitamins can be synthesized by microflora of the digestive system of herbivores? So, solute vitamins can be synthesized. So, nagagawa siya. So, So, it is vitamin A, K, A, D, E. So, ang tamang sagot is vitamin K. What do you call the juice for determining protein nitrogen? It is done by digestion of sulfuric acid, converting into nitrogen ammonia, distilling ammonia into standard acid, and titrating the excess acid. So, anong tawag na to? So, Primoxate analysis, Babcock method, Walker method, Kidal method. Anong tawag yan? It is Kidal method po. Nagamit po siya ng sulfuric acid. So, yan. Which among the following is the most digestive polysaccharide? Most digestive polysaccharide, hemicellulose, cellulose, starch, lignin. So, it is ginagamit sa pagkain ng baboy is starch. Tao. So, what enzyme produced by microorganism in the rumen? So, during digestion. So, So, enzyme produced in microorganism in the rumen during digestion. It is urease. Urease is ito po ang enzyme na mag-breakdown ng urea. So, cellulose, trypsin, pepsin. So, urea po. Okay. Yung pepsin po, makikita po yan sa hydrochloric acid. Sa tiyan po yan sa stomach. So, the following factor to be considered in balancing nutrients requirement with nutrient value of food available except so the following factor to be considered in balancing the nutrient ration with the nutrient value of food available except. So, anong quality and quantity of the food available, palatability of the food, cost of the food, cost of raw material. So, yung dinidisregard dito is the palatability of the food. Minsan, hindi yan tinitingnan kung nasarapan ba yung hayop o hindi. Basta maibigay lang ang nutrient value na kailangan nandun na ipakain sa feed. So, minsan dinidisregard yung palatability of the food. So, ang tamang sagot dito, except is palatability of the food. Compare sa tao, dapat palatability para bilhin. Pero sa mga hayop, hindi na kailangan. So, what stomach compartment is not developed in newborn calf? So, kaya nga tinatawag ito esophageal groove ang tawag diyan. Yung wala pa siyang hindi pa niya kaya mag-digest ng lignin, yung ganun. So ano pang present sa kanya? Omasum, abomasum, rumen reticulum. So sa mga young o newborn calf, so it is the rumen and reticulum is hindi pa sila anong tawag doon, well developed kasi yung dinididi pa nila is gatas. So habang lumalaki sila, nade-develop na rin yung rumen at reticulum nila kasi nandito yung presence ng bacteria at fungi at anything, mga enzyme to break down the damo. So, okay, hindi pa to develop sa mga young newborn rumen at reticulum. So, during nursing of newborn calf, milk bypass the rumen via yun nga yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, esophageal groove. So, dyan siya didiretso yung milk na ng calf, newborn calf is didiretso lang yan sa bumasom. So, hindi na siya dadaan sa rumen. So, an animal lack in these vitamins will develop blindness in weak and has reproductive problem. So, anong nangyayari? So, vitamin D, C, A, and D. So, what vitamin responsible for sa ating eyes? Ang only vitamin A. Letter C po. What do you call the 6-carbon simple sugar? So, 6 carbon, C6H12O6. So, it is sucrose, maltose, lactose, glucose. So, glucose is a monosaccharide. Simple sugar lang po yan, monosaccharide. Lactose is disaccharide. Maltose, sucrose, sucrose is polysaccharide na po to. So, hindi. Ito lang yung simple sugar, glucose. These are substances added to the ration which is not included for their nutritional value, but rather improve the animal performance of efficiency of animal production. So, ano po? So, substance not include for, wala siyang nutritional value, but rather improve animal performance of efficiency. So, yung ability nila na pag kumain sila, ma-absorb ng body. So, anong tawag? Probiotics, additives, prebiotics, enzyme. These are the additives. So, choline deficiency causes blank. Choline deficiency causes blank. So, choline deficiency causes blank. Slipto, tendon, chicken, goose, stepping swine, crack hobs. So, anong mangyayari? So, if choline deficiency, ang mangyayari sa kanila is slip tendons of the chicken. Di ba sa feet ng chicken, di ba may toes siya, toes? Ang tendon tendency mag-slip. So, wala siya, hindi siya strong. Hindi siya nagko-connect sa bone. Di ba tendon yung bone to muscle? So, weak siya, weak. Yun nga. Slip tendon. What mineral is vitamin E associated with? So, anong mineral? So, always ito magkasama. So, calcium, phosphorus, selenium, potassium. So, it is selenium po associated with vitamin E. Di ba kanina previous mayroon ng question na ganito? What are the function of microbial population in rumen? So, bakit may bacteria dito sa loob ng rumen? Special ang ruminants kasi cellulose digestion, utilization of NPK, synthesis of vitamin B, all of the above. It is all of the above. Tama po yan lahat. Which of the following is good source of energy? An appelit binder, but should be limited in the diet. So, pellet binder, anong tawag niyan? Talo, cocoa oil, fats, molasses. So, ito yung ginagamit sa feed ration. So, nagdadagdag sila para ma-increase ang palatability. Good source din siya ng energy because it is sugar. And also, it is a pellet binder. It is molasses po, molasses. Carbohydrates usually made up of what percent of the ration? So, ilang percent po yung carbohydrates sa ration po? So, it is 10%, 25%, 50%, 75%. Always po, minsan yung carbohydrates is sa paggawa ng feeds, always yan na 75%. Depende. So, what is the chemical name of anti-hemorrhagic vitamins? Hemorrhagic vitamins. So, para hindi mag-burst yung mga blood cells natin, anong klaseng vitamins yan? Tocopherol, minakinon, piloquinon, cyanobalamin. Ang tamang sagot po dyan is piloquinon. Why do soybeans need cooking prior to processing? Bakit po niluluto yung soybeans before sa ipaprocessing? Kagaya sa feeds, kagaya sa iba, niluluto siya. Anong purpose? So, to destroy tannic acid, to make it palatable, to improve protein quality and easy digestion, to destroy antitrypsin factor. So, ang pinaka-importante talaga dito, bakit niluluto ang soybeans? Because to destroy the antitrypsin factor. To destroy the antitrypsin factor. There are 3 gastrointestinal tract in a farm. How many stomach does a ruminant have? Ilan po ang stomach ng ruminants? 1, 2, 3, 4. Ang tamang sagot is iisa lang po ang stomach ng ruminants. Kaso na-divide lang siya 4. RROA, rumen, reticulum, omasum, abomasum. So, 1 lang po ang stomach ng ruminants. What is the method of conserving excess fodder in silos for during period of feed scarcity? So, anong tawag dyan? So, nilagay sa silos. So, sa Amerika, dami nila, yung parang container na malaki, ang tawag dyan is silos. Para nag-i-imbak sila in case na yung pagkain ng baka mag-scarce, may scarcity. May scarcity sa feeds. So, anong mangyayari? So, it leads siloing, insealing fermentation. Ang tawag po dyan is insealing po. So, it is a disease characterized by softening and bending of the bones in young animals due to the deficiency of calcium, phosphorus, and vitamin D. So, nagbending po yung parang basta bending yung chicken. Matitingnan ito sa broiler minsan. So, anong mangyayari? Anong tawag dyan? Ketosis, rickets, paresis, grass tetany. So, it is called rickets. Caused by vitamin D po yun ha. Which of the following is or are first unlimiting amino acid in poultry diets? So, ano yung binabalik-balik kanina na limiting amino acid? It is the methionine. So, ito po, methionine first, and the second is lysine. Methionine. What ration ingredients contain the highest concentration energy? So, ano pong highest concentration of energy? Carbohydrates, fat, sugar, minerals. So, it is the fats because ang carbohydrates at saka fats, there are fats is more high concentration energy, 2.25%, 2.25 times than carbohydrates. Remember, 2.25 times higher concentration of energy ang fats compared to carbohydrates. What percent of dry matter in plant is made of carbohydrates? So, ilang percent po after ma-dry natin, matanggal yung water, ilang percent po ang dry matter sa made of carbohydrates? 50, 65, 75, 85. Ang tamang sagot po, ang dry matter na may iwan after ma-dry na siya, matanggal na yung moisture content is 75%. What stomach compartment where fermentation takes place? What stomach compartment where fermentation takes place? Omasum, abomasum, rumen, reticulum. Ang fermentation po, 'di ba, yung mga course na mga kinakain, doon yan nangyayari. Nandun pa yung enzyme na urease. So it is found in the rumen. Unang compartment. What is the other term for reticulum? Reticulum, one of the four compartment of the ruminants. Anong tawag niyan? 'Di ba yung kanina is mini flies or libro-libro, madami siyang libro, umasom 'yun. Ngayon is kung titingnan nyo, para siyang honeybees na bahay. Honeycomb ang tawag. So, hardware, honeycomb, fermentation bath, groove. Honeycomb, may ano yan, hexagon siyang, hexagon formation siya. Honeycomb. When evaluating ration, what does TDN, total digestible nutrient, stands for? TDN is total digestible nutrient po, TDN. Where is structural carbohydrate found in in plants? In cell wall. Cell wall po, 'di ba, structural part of carbohydrates 'yan. Hindi cell nucleus, hindi cell membrane, cell wall. What is structural carbohydrates made of? Cellulose, fructose, saccharin, lignin, sucrose, cellulose, hemicellulose, lactose, cellulose, hemicellulose, lignin. So, structural carbohydrates, ito po, cellulose, hemicellulose, lignin. So, ito po, wala pong lactose. Lactose is sugar lang po. Sucrose, sugar din. So, fructose and saccharin, wala po. Saccharum opionarum, saccharin sa, kuhan yan eh. So, may mga flowering, so, titingnan nyo, i-assess nyo yung multiple choice if tama ba o hindi. So, okay, proceed 130. What structural carbohydrates components make older plants less digestible than younger plants? So, bakit less digestible na siya? Because of yung matitigas na part. Lignin, cellulose, fructose, protein. It is the lignin. So, matagal na po to i-digest because of the lignin. What is produced when non-structural carbohydrate are digested in the rumen? So, walang non-structural. Example, starch, kamote, yung kinain ng baka. So, anong mangyayari? Lactic acid, citric acid, propyl, hydrochloride, walang hydrochloride, propionic acid, ito, propionic acid po. How much more energy fats contain in carbohydrates? Di ba sinabi kanina, 2.25 times. Protein is the combination of amino acid. Amino acid. Amino acid are unique among compound involved in nutrition because they contain what element? It contain nitrogen. Amino acid is contain nitrogen. Yan talaga, basta protein, nitrogen. What part of the digestive tract is responsible for absorbing excess water? Saan po yan? It is found in large intestine. Kaya nga ang mangyayari, example, tatain na kayo ngayon, tapos pinipigilan nyo kasi nakasakay kayo ng bus. After 1 hour niyan, if hindi pa kayo nakatahi, titigas po yung tae nyo because in the large intestine, ina-absorb po ang water. Kaya nga, the more na hinuhold nyo yung tae nyo, the more natitigas yung tae nyo. Kasi because of absorbing excess water found in large intestine. Kaya daming sakit dito sa colon cancer because of the large intestine po. What is the most essential nutrient in animal feeding and maintaining health? What is the most essential nutrient in animal feeding and maintaining health? Essential most nutrient, protein, minerals, water, vitamins. Ang pinaka-essential po is wala ka nito, madali kang mamatay, water po. Water. Pwede po, stop po na tayo. Number 36. So, what is fat added to the dairy ration? Why is fat added to the dairy ration? Fats. Bakit po nilalagyan ng fats? To increase milk fat percent, to help figure nutritional disease, to add concentrate form of energy, to increase the volatile fatty acid levels. So, ang tamang sagot po, bakit nilalagyan po ng fats sa dairy ration is to add concentrate form of energy. Kasi kailangan po nila ng energy. Which mineral function is maintaining osmotic pressure, acid-base balance, and body fluid system? Ano po? Osmotic pressure, it is always a sodium po yan. Asin po yan, salt. Acid-base balance. Acid-base balance. Kaya nga, if yung salt, di ba, sa chemistry natin, yung itest siya kung acid ba siya o base. Pag may salt, di ba, maging base siya. So, sodium po ang tamang sagot po dito. So, which mineral is found in high concentration in the soft tissue such as pancreas? So, it is found sulfur, sodium, zinc, selenium. So, high concentration in soft tissue such as pancreas found in, ang makikita dyan na mineral is zinc. Carbohydrates are compound made of, ang carbohydrates? C6H12O6, CHO lang, CHO. So, carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. So, the most common monomer of carbohydrates is, nucleotide, glucose, amino acid, maltose. Monomer is monosaccharide. Mono means one. Glucose po yan. Monosaccharide are aldose, ketose, A and B. So, aldose, ketose, C, A, and B. None of the above. So, bakit A and B? So, parang tamang sagot nito is none of the above. Wala po dyan. Aldose, ketose. So, sige. A and B. So, minimum number of carbohydrates in monosaccharide. Carbohydrates is, anong tamang sagot? Minimum carbon in monosaccharide is C6H12O6. So, 1, 2, 3. So, it found na 3 carbon. All of the following is monosaccharide except glucose, fructose, galactose. Maltose po. Glucose equals maltose. Disaccharide po tong maltose. So, the two monosaccharide are joined by, anong tawag? Peptide bond, phosphodiester bond, glycosidic bond, hydrogen bond. It is the alpha 143 glycosidic bond. So, sa number 1 dito at saka number 4 na carbon, alpha glycosidic bond. So, kaya nga, ang two monosaccharide, maging disaccharide, maltose. Sige. So, glycosidic bond. So, all of the following are reducing sugar except glucose plus fructose, glucose plus lactose, glucose plus galactose. So, reducing sugar except glucose and fructose. So, ito po. So, carbohydrates occur naturally in D form, L form, both none of the above. Ang carbohydrates is in a form of D form po, D form. Lipids is formed by condensation reaction between lipids po. Ano pong nangyayari? Ang lipids is condensation reaction between the fats and the alcohol po. Fats and alcohol. Wala pong amino acid po dito, wala pong amines. Life amines, di ba, vitamins yan. So, ang tamang sagot dito is fatty acid and alcohol. So lipids are important constituent of ano yan? Nucleus, ribosome, A and B, biological membrane. Lipids po is important constituent in biological membrane po. Which of the following is derived lipids? Fats, oil, steroids, wax. Steroids, wax. So, following derived lipids is lipids. So, it is steroids. Lipids po yan, steroids. So, compound with carbohydrates along with fatty acid, compound with carbohydrates along with fatty acid is called simple lipids, waxes, glycolipids, phospholipids. It is carbohydrates, it is glycolipids. So, organic compound which are building blocks in the formation of protein. So, ano yan? Organic compound building blocks of formation of protein. It is the amino acid. Amino acid. What practice of feed ration for 10 to 10 days before breeding? So, ano pong tawag? What practice of feeding aeration 10 days, 2 weeks before breeding? Tawag po yan is flushing. Bakit po? Para marami po yung ovulation. Para yung follicle, Graafian follicle is mas marami siya. Para mas marami yung flushing po ang tawag dyan. Which protein concentrate is limited use ruminants? So, protein concentrate used in ruminants. So, molasses, soybean meal, fats, urea. So, limited lang ito kasi nakakamatay is the urea. Urea po. What mineral is necessary for hemoglobin formation? Hemoglobin formation, zinc, copper, selenium, iodine. Ang hemoglobin formation, it is for what mineral is hemoglobin formation is copper. Copper. What vitamin plays an important role in blood coagulation? Coagulation. Yung if may sugat ka, ipa-stop niya, blood coagulation is vitamin K po yan, potassium po yan. Fat are broken down by the cut into what organ of the body? So saan po na-break down yung fats? Rumen, pancreas, small intestine, large intestine. Ang fats is na-breakdown sa cow in the small intestine. Which of the following is not classified as water-soluble bet? Hindi po siya water-soluble. Vitamin A, biotin, folic acid, niacin. Vitamin A, vitamin A. Hindi po siya. Fat-soluble po ang A. So, in the ruminants digestive system, which of the following is in the name of first section of the small intestine that is connected to abomasum or stomach? Duodenum, ileum, jejunum, rectum. So, it is the duodenum, ileum, jejunum. Yan yung formation. Duodenum, ileum, jejunum. Duodenum po. Rumen bacteria enable cattle to utilize which feed supplement? Rumen bacteria. So, enable to cattle to utilize which feed supplement? Bicarbonate, urea, calcium carbonate, molasses. It is a urea. Magagamit po nila yan. Urea po. Which of the following describe biotin? What is biotin? Biotin. So, amino acid, source of energy, trace mineral, B vitamins. Biotin is a B vitamins po yan, tawag. The same lang yan. Vitamins are not stored in the body and need to be consumed every day. Are the, ano po? Water-soluble bit, fat-soluble bit, addict, selenium, and manganese. Kailangan po natin yung mga consume siya every day is the water-soluble bit. Kasi after we urine, mawawala po yan, kasama po yan. So, water-soluble bit. Which of the following is the category of water-soluble bit? It's the A, D, E, B. Is the mga B, biotin or mga B vitamins. Water-soluble po yan. What bran, wheat bran, and animal fat are feed concentrate that are classified as bran and fat. So, it is the grain, plant protein, processing byproducts, concentrate. It is a processing byproduct because wheat bran is yan yung excess ng paggawa ng flour. Animal fats, ito po ginagawa mga tallow after ng slaughtering. So it is a processing byproducts po ginagawa pong feeds. Ration are formulated to keep an animal as its current weight and size is a blank. So anong mga feeds nga i-maintain lang yung current weight niya at saka size. Ginagamit ito sa RTL para ma-maintain lang yung timbang niya sa ready to lay egg sa mga layers or sa mga dairy. So it is the maintenance feeds. Maintenance feeds. Which of the following element is not component of carbohydrates? Nitrogen po, nitrogen. Yung carbohydrates is 2. Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. 2. Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. So C6H12O6. Which is the saturated fatty acid of the following? Kanina na po, nabalik-balik na po ito. It is stearic acid, fatty acid, saturated fatty acid. What type of relationship is there between bacteria and cecum and colon and the horse which suggests has a mutual benefited? So, anong tawag? A horse is a pseudo-ruminants because hindi siya ruminant. Ang ruminant is my fourth compartment. Ang sa horse is yung cecum niya lumaki kaya may fermentation doon. Isang portion lang yan sa large intestine. So, anong mangyayari dyan? So, kumakain siya ng damo, hindi ma-digest sa stomach niya, tapos doon yan madadigest sa cecum niya. So, anong tawag yan? Aminsalism, parasitic, commensalism, symbiotic. May symbiotic relationship sila. Which of the following are involved in bone formation? Calcium, phosphorus, magnesium. So, this is a mga mineral na kailangan sa bone formation. All of the above po. Calcium, phosphorus, magnesium. What is the enzyme and acid secreting compartment of the ruminant stomach? Enzyme and acid secreting. So, meron siyang enzyme acid. Nandun ang hydrochloric acid. So, the true stomach of the ruminants, it is the abomasum. Abomasum. The lining of the rumen is made up of little projection. Anong tawag po? Papillae, pylorus, gastrocmucosa, serosa. So, it is called papillae. Papillae. Doon naman po sa small intestine is villi. V-I-L-L-I. Villi. Papillae po sa rumen. So, water removal in the main function of the rumen's compartment. Water removal. So, kagaya sa ng large intestine na ina-absorb niya yung, tinatanggal niya yung water. So, it is the omasum. Omasum or the libro-libro. Many flies po ang tawag dyan. Hypocalcemia. Hypo, kulang po ng calcium po yan. Di ba? Hypocalcemia. Symptomic na of blood deficiency in pregnant and lactating dams. So iron, calcium, sulfur, magnesium. It is hypocalcemia is kulang po sila ng calcium. What mineral supplement should be provided to help to prevent retained placenta? Retained placenta. Yung after sila mga anak, hindi malabas yung placenta. So anong dapat ibigay natin na minerals? Vitamin D, C, B, and A. It is the vitamin D. D. So, what mineral is toxic to sheep and thus appropriate for cattle? So, ano po? Phosphorus, copper, molybdenum, iron. Pwede po siya sa cattle pero hindi po siya pwede sa sheep because it is toxic. Ano po? Copper po, copper. The process in which regurgitation, resalivation, reswallowing, and occur in the rumination po. Rumination. Hindi remumification. Remamify po. Remami pa siya. Eructation. Hindi rin. Diet cycle. Hindi. Rumination po ang tawag. Ang tamang sagot. Rumination. So, grain are usually deficient in what mineral? Needed for growth and development. So, kaya nga kulang ng mineral ang grains, corn grains. So, anong mineral? Sulfur, magnesium, potassium, calcium. So, ang grains po, wala po yung calcium. Nutrient requirements for pregnant animal are highest during trimester. What trimester? First, second, last, all of the above. So, nutrient requirement in animals is highest during what trimester? It is all of the above po. From the start hanggang matapos ang kanyang gestation period, kailangan po taas po yung highest po ang nutrient requirement po sa mga pregnant animal. So, ang tamang sagot is all of the above. So, grains are higher in which mineral compared to forage? So, ano pong mataas sa grains compared to sa forage? Potassium, phosphorus, magnesium, manganese. It is phosphorus po. Mataas po ang grain ng phosphorus. Feeds are high in fiber content and low in energy content are referred as, ano po yan? Mataas po siya sa fiber, low po siya ng energy content. Concentrate ba? Ruggage, mash, creep. So it is ruggage because ruggage is puro po yan dahon, mga napier. Mataas po yan sa fiber pero wala po silang energy content. Ang may energy content po is itong mga concentrate, mga grains. Pasensya na po, mabilis po ako kasi ganito dapat yung standard natin sa pag-study. Hindi po slow kasi may time limit po tayo. Sige, next. Corn is poor source of what mineral? Di ba sinabi ko sa kanina, ang grain is poor siya ng magnesium, calcium, phosphorus, manganese. It is calcium po. Corn is a good source of, ano po yan? Electrolytes, energy ions. It is energy po. Ang corn, mga grains po, taas po siya ng carbohydrates, energy. Increased salt intake in farm animals require increase in consumption of protein, carbohydrates, fats, water. So, if mag-increase po ang salt intake, kailangan mo rin ng increase in fats, consumption of fats. So, what is the name of rhythmic muscular contraction which occur in the rumen? So, ano pong tawag niyan? May rhythmic muscular contraction po, ginakontract po yung mga nakain po ng mga damo. So, epiglottis, rumentation, peristalsis, eructation. Ang tawag dyan is peristalsis. What are the greatest importance of salt in live ration? Ano po yan? Pinaka-importante po, bakit may salt? Serve as preserving agent, cheap source of nutrients, stimulate appetite. All of the above. So, ang tamang sagot po, bakit po nandyan ang salt is stimulate appetite. Yan lang talaga yung purpose ng salt. Para, pag dila nila, may alat, para silang nasarapan. Ganun. Stimulate appetite. Which of the following nutrient group highest amount needed in the diet? So protein, carbohydrates, minerals, vitamins, water. Kung isipin nyo, anong pinaka-importante dyan? Highest amount needed. It is the water. Because water is life. Without water, mamamatay ka. Sa quickest, mamamatay. Nandyan yan, nabalik-balik na yung question na to. Which of the following nutrient group is least amount needed in diet? So, least amount needed, minerals, vitamins, protein, fats, carbohydrates. Anong pinaka-less compared sa limang na to? 5. Minerals, vitamins, protein, fats, carbohydrates. Mabuhay ka kahit maliit lang yung portion na ginagamit mo. It is the vitamins. Yan lang po ang less amount needed. What do you call the feed ration given over the 24-hour period? So, binibigay na feed to animal over 24-hour period? Food, nutrient, ration, diet. It is the ration binibigay mo. Hindi nutrient kasi feed ration ang question po dito. Okay, so into what structure does food passes when it leaves the stomach? So, what structure that food passes when leave to the stomach? It is the, after the stomach, it is the small intestine. Small intestine po. What nutrients serve as the body built and cooling system? Ano po ang tinatawag? Carbohydrates, water, vitamins, minerals. So, tingnan nyo po ha, hindi po water ang nag-built na cooling system. It is the vitamins po. Vitamins po serve as cooling system. Body cooling system. The skin, hair, hooves, and horn are made up primarily of what basic nutrient? It is a protein po, keratin. So, yung protein po yan. Puros po yan protein. So, colon is also known as large intestine. Kaya colon cancer po, may cancer ka sa large intestine. Molasses is a good source of blank and it is used mainly feeds for increased palatability. Molasses is a source of energy because it is source of carbohydrate and sugar. Energy po, in not flavoring. Pero nilagay na lang po dyan is increase of palatability. Molasses is energy source. Which of the following present in rumen is greater in number? So ano pong bacteria, virus, protozoa, fungi? Ang pinakamarami po dyan is bacteria. What organ secrete digestive enzyme into small intestine? So what organ is pancreas? Pancreas. Ang pancreas lang po ang maglalabas ng mga enzyme into small intestine for digestion. What do you call the feed animal has brought from the rumen and rechewing? So bolus, cud, incista. So ang tawag dyan is, di ba yung food plus saliva is bolus. If nandun na sa rumen, ni-recho, anong tawag? Ang tawag dyan is cud. What do urea substitute in diet? It is, ang urea substitute for protein po. Protein. Diet po. Hindi po nitrogen. Because ang nitrogen na po yung urea. So, ang diet, kailangan natin is protein. Substitute po siya as protein. So what is the primary reason of considering urea as a source in ruminant ration? So ano po yung primary reason considering nitrogen source in ruminant ration? Because of the cost. Mababa lang po yung compared kung bibili ka ng mga mga ration na pang protein talaga. So mababa ang cost ng urea. So the total energy contained in feedstuff is called, anong tawag? It is the total energy nandyan sa feedstuff. It is called as gross energy. So, tapos na po tayo. So, pray kang Lord, kaya ni para kay bakbak. Hindi. Kasi during sa pag-review ko, nilagyan ko siya ng after matapos ako mag-review, nilalagyan ko to ng kuhan. Pray ka kang Lord, kaya ni para kay bakbak. Bakbak kasi yung anak ko to, bakbak. So, hopefully, na-understand nyo lahat. Sorry po, parang nagmamadali po ako. But this is a training. Yung isang basahan nyo lang, alam nyo na yung sagot. If wala kayong alam, next question, hanggang maubos nyo. If maubos nyo naman, ang technique kasi, if maubos nyo ng limited time, so babalik kayo doon sa mga hindi nyo nasagutan. So, ganun yung technique. Example, 1, nasagutan nyo. Number 2, wala. Number 3, number 4, number 5, wala rin. So, hanggang matapos nyo yung 100, balikan nyo lang ulit. Yun. So, ganun ang technique sa pag-exam. So, huwag kayong mag-stay ng, hindi ko alam anong ko to. Pag hindi nyo alam, proceed kayo sa next question. So, ganun ang technique. So, sana po, marami kayong natutunan sa akin. So, see you sa next natin na animal science subject. Thank you.